All right, what is going on? I'm looking fucking chopped right now, but here is the trade recap for the day. So I did lose today. I think I lost about 9,000. I don't know. Less than I won yesterday, but let's talk about it. Today's price action was god awful, but we did have 8:30 news. So my draw in the morning was that data low. I wanted to see us take the data low out, and we did. And so what happened when we took this data low out, right? Let's go over. So I was bullish. The reason for this, we currently have the CPI data low still on swept, so I want to see us sweep that with an SMT and go back up. We are delivering out of a 4-hour gap, and we are inversing bearish gaps. So I was very, very bullish. As you can see, we had this 4-hour gap below on ES. We had this hourly low and the data low for NQ. So what happened? We came down and we swept the data low. And when we did that, let me go to replay mode. What happened? We also swept Asia low on Jesus, on ES. So we had an external SMT with Asia low. We had the data low sweep on both assets, and we were delivering out of this 15-minute fair value gap. So what happens? We get this inversion. Beautiful momentum. So now let's go over. We have the external SMT. We're delivering out of a 15-minute gap. Let's get the checklist here. Sorry. So, rejecting out of a higher time frame. Yes, we're hitting this Asia low, data lows, and 15 minutes. So great rejection. Internal SMT, I believe not. I don't think we had an internal SMT. Maybe we did with like these lows. External SMT, IFEG, and then we have targets above being we had daily highs above and an unfilled fair value gap, as well as on the 5-minute time frame. As you can see, we were very choppy, but I wanted to see like a 3-minute open up or something like that. So what happens? We get in and we get immediately fucked. I think I was going for these highs, and the stop was at a resweep of the data lows. We came back, and what I believe was the reason for this loss was the fact that this 4-hour had never been tapped on ES. So what happens? We get 10:15 coming. We get in the 4-hour. We sweep Asia. So now after sweeping Asia, you get this long opportunity here. So this 1-minute long with a stop below the low, and then a take profit of 1-to-1. I actually don't even know if this one. Okay, wow, that would have been actually a stop out too, funny enough. Okay, so today really did suck in my opinion. Very, very weird price action in general, but I really, really liked my trade. The only negative is that 4-hour had not been hit, but I felt, we had the SMT with Asia. We took out data lows. We were coming back out of that 15-minute. I took a picture and journaled it here as well. I lost, like I said, less than I won yesterday. Yesterday's trade was an absolute beauty. No drawdown trade. Whereas this was pretty unfortunate. Very, very great momentum. V-shape, SMT, sweep, delivering out of the gap, LR above, as well as accumulation, manipulation, and distribution at 10 a.m. We were accumulating. 10 a.m. manipulated down. And we got that sweep of data, got the inverse. I mean, this is a textbook trade that I would take 10 times out of 10. So very, very good trade to study. So that is going to be my first loss of the week. I think I have 3 more days to win, or if I get 3 more winning days on Top Step, I could take out another 7 or 8K from them. So my goal is to end the week strong, get 3 wins, or, just try to take 3 A+ setups and try to take out some money from them by the end of this week. And then to end January, my goal will be start stacking my 150K accounts. On top, I passed a 150K Tradeify from this data wick play. So my goal would be to get those 150s up and start scaling to get bigger payouts with those. So yeah, that is it. And yeah, very, very good trade. Great setup. About an A ranking because no internal SMT. But very, very happy either way with how I traded today. Was patient, didn't try to chase these or any of this, but just a very, very choppy day. A lot of people lost, and yeah,